This is the 11th lecture of the Semantic SEO course. In this lecture, we will talk about the publication date. Basically, some of the principles that we can follow when we talk about the publication date or the specific momentum. Our main aim is to decrease the cost of retrieval of the search engine. So we are the cheaper source than others because the cheaper one is liked by the search engine. The first one and the important rule you should need to know is be patternless. Do not publish one article per day or 5 articles in a 5 days. Publish during night, publish during morning, and your momentum is like 5 article one day, wait for next day, and the third day publish one article, and on a fourth day go for 7 articles. So you create the momentum and you create the specific timeline becoming a patternless. And the other thing that you should need to know is during the core updates or the big algorithmic changes, we did not publish the articles for a new websites. We did not publish the articles. We just wait for some days when search engines ready to crawl or ready to find the new documents after the specific algorithmic changes. For example, like core update or spam update or something big core update changes. For example, if I talk about the search engine perspective visually, let's say this is your website and this is the search engine systems and this is the knowledge base. And for example, these are the specific websites. For example, every star is a single website. Now you can take the attention of the search engine that search engines rank your website rather than this. If you publish more with a high quality, higher relevance and comprehensive is better rather than this specific source, then search engine will realize that whenever they crawl, you have the source that have fresh content from others. When they see there in a search index or in a search system, the specific fresh content is comes from your website whenever they crawl, because whenever they crawl they invested the money and the time in you, so this is an advantage for you, make it worth it. For example, this is the specific timeline, and after you creating your specific momentum, your graph goes like first it goes up, then it goes down a little bit, and then it goes more higher, and then again it goes down, and then again a little bit higher, and then again it's down. So these are the specific re-rankings that the search engine test you, and here the bottom line that you can rank and the upper line that you can rank. And these specific maximum or the minimum patterns or restrictions broke when the core algorithm update happens. After if your content is a very high quality responsiveness, your semantic content network is according to the query semantics, your search engine ranking after a core update will be higher. One thing that you should need to know, search engine did not give you feedback when you change something in your website suddenly, because if they give feedback suddenly, then you can also reverse engineer. These specific feedback or the changing feedback after a 6 month of the core update, after the 6 month when the core update is happened, and now search engines assign the maximum line that you can rank and the minimum line that you can rank. So in the future lecture, you will see more publication date examples in the live projects.